Today we're working on the XP Pro, the new Polaris model. We have backcountry kits, which are normally Can-Am only because they only make them in Can-Am bolt pattern. So today I'm going to walk you through. We have our brackets up here. This is our conversion kit. These are the front brackets where you'll put your anti-rotation arms. These back two are the rear tracks, the hub conversions to go from the Polaris to the Can-Am bolt pattern, lower A arms and your limiter straps, and then we got brackets for the trailing arm. We're starting on the front track, so you'll be hitting this first factory bolt. Switching to our 3/8 inch drill bit. We will be drilling out these two holes. Now I'm taking these 3/8 bolts and I'm putting them through the holes that we just drilled, and we will be snugging everything up tight. We'll be taking these 3/8 inch carriage bolts and sticking them through the back of the bracket here, and we'll put the washer on. This is the front anti-rotation arm with the limiter strap hookup. We're just going to leave it loose. And now we're going to repeat the same process on the other front track. And the way of knowing that you got the right side is having the dual brace inside on the same side as your hub. Our first step installing these brackets are removing these. So starting with the front, now that we got the tires off, we're going to do our hub conversion to go to the Can-Am bolt pattern from the Polaris. Make sure that track is seated to our hub. We're just repeating the same process. Each track system, they all have stickers of what location they go on the rig. So laying these out, how I distinguish driver side from passenger side is these have a tapered cut. And so with the bottom, you have them cutting in towards the front of the vehicle on each side. And you always have these facing forward. Put this bolt in before you install these. The best tool for installing these is a 17N wrench. So now we will be connecting on the front tracks the anti-rotation arm to the bracket that we just installed. And this is going to be controlling where the track sits while resting. We need to bring it in, as you can see already. Just a little bit to align it. Like so? Like so, there you go. You're looking for about this angle. It's about a 45 to the ground. So I just use a screwdriver to turn it up or down where I need it. So now that this is on and in place, tighten it. And what I'm going for is making this level with the ground. This is our limiter strap. We'll be installing these from here to here. We use a washer, put that in there. So now again, we'll be putting another washer on there and tighten it. You have to remove this mud scraper. We'll put these in first. Once these are snugged up, we can mock up where we are going to drill. Go off this line and make sure it's sitting flush. Putting our carriage bolt up through it. Now we'll move to the other side. We're going to be using these open end lug nuts we'll be supplying in the kit. You need to torque these 4 on each side before installing the track. There are 2 different styles of the backcountry LTs. The older models have a push-back hub location, so you would be bolting these directly to that. They push the hub forward, so we have a fix. This piece will be included with all backcountry conversion kits, powder coated the same color. If you need it, it'll be there. We're going to put 1 washer on the outside here, 1 washer in the middle, and you'll just adjust this heim joint by screwing it in or out. Now, the back washer, snug that up really tight. You'll tighten that up, and then you will tighten these 4 bolts up. Nothing will move, everything's secured, and it's just gonna pivot. You get all the brackets for the tracks, you get all the brackets for your machine, you get the anti-rotation arms, the hub conversions, the lug nuts, all the hardware in between, and the limiter straps. Our specialty is anti-rotation systems and bracket kits for UTVs that are running track systems.